Hello, hello, and welcome to Math is Easy, Step by Step. I have a new series of parts of videos I'm going to be going over fractions basics. So in these videos, I'm going to cover adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, fraction, into decimal, into percents, working with mixed numbers, improper fractions, and eventually towards the end of all the parts of the videos, I'm going to go switch from basic fractions to more advanced fractions type of skills that you're going to need to learn and to know. So let's just jump right on in here to it. Okay, so there are many people who struggle with fractions, and first I'd like to start off with showing a visual representation of fractions. So here we have a circle. It's separated into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Right? So I'm sorry, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts. The top number of our fraction is called the numerator. The bottom part of our fraction is called the denominator. Right? These are technical math terms you should know. Okay? So the top part of our fraction here, 3, is going to represent the red values. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 numbers highlighted in red. Okay? The bottom part of the fraction here, the 4, represents the whole or the total. Right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 total pieces in this circle. So 3 out of a possibility of 4 is going to represent our fraction in relation to this visual. And again, 1, 2, 3 parts in red over the whole possible parts, total, however you like to phrase it, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I wanted to compare that first visual fraction with another fraction. And you see this circle is separated into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total or whole parts, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those pieces are highlighted, right? 4 of the parts are highlighted. So for this particular image, I've created a ratio or a fraction with 4 highlighted parts out of a total of 8 possible pieces. And that's what fractions represent. They're a ratio. 4 out of 8, or 4 to 8, or the fraction you see here, 4 over 8. All right? So we always should reduce our fractions. 4 over 8 can be divided by 4 evenly on the top, and that same number must also be divided evenly into the bottom. So I know 4 divided by 4 is 1, because 4 times 1 is 4. I know 8 can be divided by 4 evenly without a remainder, because 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 over 8 reduces down to 1/2. Hey, don't worry if I went too fast for you. I'm going to cover in many, many parts how to reduce and simplify your fractions. So these are just some visual examples of fractions. I think I'm going to conclude this first part, and in the second part of this series of fraction basics, I'm going to add these 2 circles and show you why it's important to find that you must find a common denominator in order to add fractions. Thank you for joining me. Math's easy. Take it step by step. Stick around for part 2, probably to part 50. I'm going to cover everything that you need to know about the basics of fractions.